Welcome to Doodle and Designs. A basting stitch is a temporary stitch used to hold fabric in place before a permanent stitch is applied. It is a long, loose stitch that can be easily removed after the final stitching is complete. Basting stitches are useful in various sewing projects, including garment construction, quilting, and embroidery, as they help in checking the fit and alignment before making final adjustments. A diagonal stitch is a type of embroidery stitch that is worked at an angle, creating slanted lines across the fabric. It can be used for filling in areas, creating texture, or adding decorative patterns. Diagonal stitches are often seen in techniques like cross-stitch, herringbone stitch, or when creating simple geometric designs. Fine stitch typically refers to very small, delicate stitches used in detailed or intricate embroidery, hand sewing, or tailoring. Fine stitching requires precision and patience, often used in heirloom sewing, lace work, and detailed embroidery designs. The stitches are barely visible, offering a refined and elegant finish to the fabric. The overcasting stitch is used to prevent fabric edges from fraying and is often applied along the raw edge of fabric. It involves stitching over the edge of the fabric at a diagonal angle, wrapping the thread around the edge to encase it. The stitch is commonly used in hand sewing for seams and edges, especially in garments or decorative projects, and is also seen in finishing techniques like zigzag stitching on a sewing machine. A thread mark is a temporary stitching technique used in sewing and tailoring to transfer pattern markings or indicate placement lines on fabric. It is a form of basting stitch, done with long, loose stitches using a contrasting thread color so that it is easily visible. Thread marking is often used for indicating darts, pleats, or seam allowances without using fabric chalk or markers that could fade or stain the fabric. Similar to a round hem but used for garments with a more exaggerated curve, like a circle skirt or ruffled designs. The excess fabric in the curve may need to be eased in using techniques like bias tape or narrow hemming to avoid bunching. An eroded edge in sewing or fabric design refers to a deliberately frayed or worn-out edge, giving the material a distressed, rustic, or weathered look. This technique can be used in fashion design to create a raw, unfinished aesthetic. I hope you enjoyed creating this charming design with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.